Setting up and using Graco G40 AA series with EonCoat. Things you would need to have: a Graco G40, a Devil Bliss air adjusting valve, and a male to female quick disconnect, a blue Graco rack tip, and a 3/16" whip hose. While setting up the air assist, use Teflon tape on all threading. Attach the valve to the G40 gun and always tying with a wrench. Thread on the quick connect and always tying with a wrench. Make sure the white seal is in place before installing the adapter. The adapter needs to have a 1/4 inch exit. Again, tying with a wrench. The blue Graco tip is the only tip that EonCoat recommends for use. Leave nozzle loose before installing the rack tip. Then tighten the nozzle. Thread the whip hose to the G40 gun, making sure that the arrow is pointing towards the gun. Again, tying with a wrench. Attach the air hose. Air can be adjusted counterclockwise is to increase air pressure, and clockwise is to decrease the pressure. The rack tip can be rotated. This hole is for flushing the tip, and this is the hole you set it to coat. Squeeze the trigger to spray. If spray pattern is disrupted, rotate the tip and squeeze trigger. This will clear out any debris that you may have or buildup of coating. Flush until the spray pattern is completely restored. Do not release the trigger while spraying. Apply evenly, overlapping by 50%. Spray to a minimum of 20 mils. Be sure to check the mil thickness often, especially while it's still wet.